Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use product waitlist on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google. You can continue with your business or working email. But you know what? Just click the more options so that you can continue with your Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Okay, so once you are here, product waitlist is basically lets you email customers when a sold out product is back on stock. Now it enables product waitlist to notify interested shoppers. Say for example, shoppers can submit their email address on the product details page when the product is sold out. Now, that sense, product waitlists display on the product details pages only. Now, waitlists are available for customers on the Commerce, Professional, and Premium plans. Please take note of that. And in version Squarespace 7.1, waitlists are available on all sites. Now in version 7.0, waitlists are only available on sites with advanced store pages. And from here, waitlists only display for physical and service products. Now for us to be able to add a product waitlist, what we need to do is, now once you are on your dashboard, just select the website that you are currently working on or choose the built-in domains that you wanted to put the product waitlist. Say for example, in my case, I'm gonna select this one, and from here just go to the left side panel of the dashboard, click on the selling right here, right, and click on the selling tools, and after which just hover down to where it says waitlist, because from here you can create and manage waitlists for out of stock products in your online store, right? And from here, to be able to use waitlists, you need to click that in the settings section. If you haven't done so, click on it, and from here just allow waitlist signups. Click on that. Also, you have the option to allow mailing line signups, but in order for you to allow email subscriber sign up, just check out the email setup settings. Right now, let's go back to the product waitlist. Click on save. Exit this one, and from here go to selling tools, go to the waitlist right here. Now products with waitlist signups will appear here, and not in stock will also appear here, right? And basically that's how you use product waitlist on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.